Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And over the years, there has been a lot of individuals who have been imbued with the Phoenix Force. But as we know, there can only be one Dark Phoenix. Let's go! Okay, so we're going to look at the Uncanny X-Men Marvel Legends Dark Phoenix. Okay, so you can see here the front of the cardboard. Okay, so it has a clear window so that you see what you get. Okay, and Phoenix Flame expression on the left side, and we can see here the Dark Phoenix herself, Jean Grey, with her eye bags. And we have a phoenix bird, a firebird, and alternate hands. At the back, we see a brief description of the Dark Phoenix. So this comes in this together with Wolverine, Longshot, Multiple Man, Avalanche, and Spiral Wave. And Dark Phoenix is described as overwhelmed by the power of the cosmic Phoenix entity. Jean Grey gives in to the being's destructive tendencies. Okay, so for those of you who are familiar with the X-Men lore, okay, so Jean Grey is the host of the Phoenix Force. I would say the natural host of the Phoenix Force, but there's a dark side of the Phoenix Force that results to the Dark Phoenix if remained unchecked. Okay, so and that's the figure, but of course we have to look at some Heroclix figures as well in relation to the Dark Phoenix. Okay, and we have four figures to look at, and the first one is from the Marvel 10th year anniversary, okay, on 2012, which is Dark Phoenix. So you can see Jean Grey on her red and yellow costume. Okay, the Phoenix costume is green and yellow, okay, but the red indicates that he has been consumed by the fire of the Phoenix Force. Okay, so let's see what this figure does. Cosmic, deity, and X-Men keywords. The darkness within. Dark Phoenix can use super senses, but only evades the attack on a result of 6. When Dark Phoenix KOs an opposing figure, you may heal her of 1 damage. I am fire and life incarnate. Hypersonic speed. Spaceborne entity, running shot. I'm finish, earthbound neutralize. And a special attack power, Jin's not here anymore. Dark Phoenix can use pulse wave and telekinesis. And yeah, a special damage power, a defense power rather. My sacrifice saves you all. When this click is revealed, stop turning the dial. Dark Phoenix can't use super senses. When Dark Phoenix takes damage, heal all other friendly characters that share a keyword with Dark Phoenix of 2 damage. Real name is the Phoenix Force. Significant appearance, Phoenix End Song number 1, 2005. So for 300, 200, or 100 points, okay, you can choose how much firepower you want Phoenix to have. Okay. I'd rather play her at 300 points with 10 range, 12 hypersonic, 11 attack, 18 impervious, and 5 damage. Okay. She probably deserves a legacy card. Okay, and bring her value to 150 perhaps. Okay, so that is the Dark Phoenix. I also want to share with you guys the Dark Phoenix, but also imbued with the symbiote. So this is Venom Marvel Girl from the Empire set. Okay, this is such a dope sculpt, as you can see. Okay, consumed by the fire and the symbiote. So Venom Marvel Girl, taking a look at the card, is set number 46, a rare codex from the symbiote, Phoenix Force, X-Men, Cosmic, and Monster. Improved targeting characters, shared trait, which is symbiotic fusion, plasticity, super senses. If Venom Marvel Girl is within 4 squares in line of fire of an opposing character, she can be targeted by range attack, so range protection is good. Mental Shriek, Mind Control Sidestep, and Mind Control as free, but only to target an opposing characters within 4 squares. And then Drill Kinesis, which is TK. When Venom Marvel Girl uses it, after resolutions, roll a d6. 3 to 4, heal the place character 1 click. 5 to 6, make a close attack, targeting an opposing character adjacent to the place character regardless of adjacency. And you see her 100 or 60 points, defend, toughness, prob at the end of the dial. I like to use this at 60 points just to carry her and do that mind control for free for, yeah, only one target, but that's fine. Free mind control is good, and she can also do enhancement. So probably she is carried during a running shot action. Okay, so that is Venom Marvel Girl. Okay, so those are the Dark Phoenix we have in regular size, but of course we also have Dark Phoenix Colossal, and this one is from the X-Men the animated series Dark Phoenix Saga set. So definitely there should be a Phoenix in that set. This is giant set number 20. Okay, a colossal figure, Hellfire Club, Phoenix Force, X-Men Cosmic. Okay, and we all know, for those of you who are Heroclix players, that this one is used for, take a look at that card, seduced by the dark side, significant appearance, 900, 600, 330 points. And as I said, she is primarily used for her 30-point line, which is 9 attack with 9 movement with sidestep, 11 attack, special attack, 17 special defense, and 3 damage. That special defense tap impervious, and the special attack is the Colossal Retaliation, Child of Light and Darkness. Free if no friendly character has been placed this turn. Choose an opposing character that attack Dark Phoenix or damage a friendly character since your last turn. Place Dark Phoenix such that she can make a close attack targeting the chosen character, then do so, also targeting the other characters, friendly or opposing, within 3 squares. Hit characters are given an action token and each dealt 2 penetrating damage instead of normal damage of 3. And the good thing about this particular figure is the trait, Feeding on Life Forces. When Dark Phoenix KOs an opposing character or an opposing character takes 4 or more damage from her attack, after resolutions, heal her 1 click, and she may heal past that starting line of 30 points. So she can really get up in the dial. I think I was able to bring her up until click number 21 in one of the games, wherein she got that hypersonic, impervious, precision strike, and prob dial. So a very, very strong meta figure during its time. Okay, I hope we get a legacy of this figure in the upcoming X-Men set for 2024, I guess. So Dark Phoenix. And of course, the last one we're gonna look at is the OG Dark Phoenix. Okay, so this is from Mutation set. Okay, it's kind of sticky. So Dark Phoenix, it doesn't have a card, but there's a guide on it on the box. We're not gonna talk about it. I just want to showcase the amazing sculpt of this piece. Okay, Heroclix rarely makes sculpt like this anymore. Okay, but it's all worthwhile. Take a look at that. The Dark Phoenix. Another legacy card, perhaps next set. Okay, so let's go back to the Marvel Legends figure. And let's see. Dark Phoenix. We're not gonna be too sensitive of the packaging because we're gonna throw it anyway. We usually have our Marvel Legends out of box anyway. So let's pop her out of the box. Oops. So which among the Heroclix figures I've shown is your favorite? You may put that in the comments as we open this figure. And there you go. In 3, 2, 1. Release me from my bondage. So we have the Phoenix, the Firebird effect, which is really cool. Okay, take a look at that. And we have alternate hands, which is fine. Okay, let's check. The joints are tight. Okay, hands are also tight and skinny. Okay, the boobs are okay. And of course the red head and the eye bags. Okay, let's see if we can form her or position her like this. Okay, so hands up, not hands up, leg up, and then okay, crouching forward with hands a bit action pose. Okay, let's see. And the other fit is just acting like that. And let's put the bird somewhere. I think it can only be placed on her arms, so let's put it here. Okay, so that's it. We have here Dark Phoenix, Marvel Girl on Heroclix and Marvel Legends form. I hope you guys like this particular video. My favorite X-Gal. Until the next video, bye bye.